Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today also I opened my camera, so I will start the vlog. So my vlog exploring in Saudi Arabia. How is an employer as a coffee maker, daily life, how to survive and what we sacrifice. So I am from Nepal. I use language English because my followers, my subscribe from many countries. That's why in the world one of the famous language English, so every country can understand. That's why I use the English language. So my blog exploring Saudi Arabia daily life, origin employer, how to survive daily life. So right now in Saudi Arabia time 4 o'clock 10 minutes, so my duty time 4:30. That's why I come out early 13 minutes because I have from accommodation to workplace destination time during time 20 minutes for walking. So right now in Saudi Arabia, why I am making the exploring video because Saudi Arabia is very difficult country. It means the weather, so not our country same like the must be, especially it's Gulf country. Temperature too high, normal we cannot survive. Just like now before I come outside I see temperature 41. So this is 41 temperature is not for human. It's good temperature. We cannot survive the human. That's why when it's coming beginning people, that person cannot survive that temperature. Have to become the sick. Have to become head fever. It's almost people doesn't can survive with that high temperature. So people when they come Saudi Arabia, then they come to slowly can survive easily day by day here. So right now before I don't have the camera, vlogging camera, that's why I cannot show the surrounding, what the way, what happened. But now I have the camera, that's why I can show everywhere. Just like this is behind. So front side you can see me, but behind side you can see the scene what there is actually real. There have the two way. Right of the way have the sunset direct. So left one way up to home is the wall become the shadow. That's why I try to be myself safe. That's why I chose that this one shadow way. So now I come almost into the shadow way. It's good. I feel good. So this is the place, actually right place. So I have to turn out. So this is the real earth in Saudi Arabia. We survive daily life. This situation. So right now temperature is very difficult. 41 is too hot. So it is not easy for people walking the way surrounding the outside, especially because this temperature we cannot survive the long time. So right now I'm go to duty. At the recent time I walking to go on the way. So before and then now I feel the better. Before I have to many things have to care about when I make the video because this is from mobile. But now I have the camera, that's why camera is not happy. Now it's smart camera. Especially vlogging camera. That's why I can make it easy for myself. I'm not become too tired. So almost too hot. Also my body become the hot because before I come outside I feel the good because I was staying inside the AC. But now also my body become the hot. That's why somewhere I feel hot. So my shadow way is finished. So I have to come out from shadow up. This is the real art. I think people doesn't know about that one. So, but that's actually right situation. This is the right situation. So like earth is almost no water. Maybe who sees my blog daily, this place everywhere people when come water raining almost green grass become, but now is water finish in Saudi Arabia. One year just sometime just one time coming water. That's why that time become too much grass become almost green like our country till that time. But now you can see the same place almost become the dry the grass because reason is no water. So this is my way. I go to duty. So I have the this way, one of the way, good way, but I want to like to walk this way because this way is too peaceful.